Alright guys, we're going fishing at the lake today. It's currently snowing and 36 degrees. And our setups for today are going to be
It's going to snow about 4 inches all day. And it's about like 36 degrees out, so.
What I have set up right here is just a jerkbait I got for Christmas. And then I'm going to try catch a fish on the Deep Creek lures, razor bait and the stick bait.
Okay, so over here, and I just have a regular hook. I'm going to put a Senko on. And this other one, I have a Fluger Tryon with another Lew's rod, spinning rod, and I have a spinner bait right here, short-fish spinner bait. We're going to get fishing. It's currently snowing. Walking through the woods here, going to go to this little pond that we're gonna fish.
It's full of swim pounders.
It's a good pond.
Haven't hooked into one yet. We caught a couple 9s out of it.
Lost a lot of big fish.
That half of the closure.
Go spinner bait first. This is my first. I have not caught a fish on this rod yet, or this reel.
Oh, it's so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh. Yeah. These Deep Creek lures smell like garlic.
Putting my hood on. Oh, got something. Alright. Dude, look how pretty it is.
Dude, I'm gonna have a hard time setting the hook with this. Should have tied on a bigger hook. Switching up to the jerkbait.
Break at my leader knot or at the spinner bait. Must have caught a knife or something.
It's a struggle to fish here in North Carolina because it snows so much.
Look, let me show them.
Alright, I'm gonna go look for it.
Okay, 1 second. So, that's my leader knot. And this is where I broke off. My spinnerbait was like this far over here. And it's a clean cut. I must have hit a knife or something.
Well guys, just caught a turtle with my bare hands.
Looks like he's frozen.
Seems to be a little bit cold. Pretty old. Let him go. There's so many of them.
Probably like
Oh, my hand. Oh. Using the Deep Creek Lures June bug color.
Smell like I would eat it.
Smell like garlic. Every single one of these viewers has to subscribe. Alright. First cast by this stick, maybe? Nope. The man just broke his rod. Go to you guys too.
At fishing the
That was little.
919.
I didn't actually have a fish. I just felt like doing that.
Yeah, now I have to keep this equipment.
Yeah, I'm switching up Senkos. Absolutely hate this
one. One more cast.
More cast and we're changing spots to the trusty old dam there. One was on a buzzbait. One
was like.
Alright guys, we didn't have any luck. It's kind of cold and hard to fish in the snow. Half the pond
right now a lot.
Yeah, half the pond's iced over, so you might have go back. My dad won a nice JB custom rod. The Bass Pack. It's like the Bass Pack one. It's red and black. It's really nice.
Follow them on Instagram.
Yeah, follow them on Instagram. Bass Pack and JB custom rods. And we also use the Deep Creek Lures. Follow them on Instagram too. All right,
we're heading back now. We're kind of in like a little creek system that comes off from. There's a dam right here. There's a little creek system that comes off that lake right there. And it goes all the way to the Cape Fear River. So it's really pretty. Catch you later.